This is again the question which is asked in the previous question paper. What they asked to find out the centroid. In some time they asked to find out that they said determine the centroid. Determine centroid. So if they ask like this, whatever the sketch, please observe the sketch. If they ask determine the centroid, so please observe the sketch. In this sketch, we have to find out the shaded region because shaded region is given. Okay. So don't get confused when they ask to find out determine the centroid. We have to find out the centroid of shaded region only. If not given shaded region, it's okay. But here the shaded region is given. That's why we have to find out the centroid. So how to find out the centroid for this one? So again, this is the shaded region. That means we have to remove. Very first is what? You must understood how to find out this area of the shaded region. If this is one is a quarter, another is a semicircle. If I subtract from quarter the semicircle, I can find out the shaded region area. Now again the steps are same. First consider the reference axis. So I am going to consider the reference axis is that's one is x. Again try to keep this gauge in a positive quadrant. Okay, keep this gauge in a positive quadrant. Consider the reference axis. Okay. Now divide this into known shape. So I know that there are two shapes. One is a quarter circle and another is what? Semicircle. I am going to find out my third step. I am going to find out the centroid of this individual with respect to the centroidal distance of this shape with respect to the x and y axes. So I am considering first the quarter circle. Okay. I am considering the quarter circle. I know the quarter circle, the centroid. The student get confused. Please, if you get confused that time, please try to draw the sketch first. This is y, this is x. It's a very simple. Mark one point, that is centroid. The distance which is parallel to x is a x1. The distance which is parallel from origin, and the distance which is parallel to y from the centroid up to the origin is y. 1. So I am writing here. What is the formula I know? The formula of centroid x1 is what? From the origin it is what? 4r by 3 pi. This is given to you. y1 is again what? 4r by 3 pi. I know the r. What is the r here? R is what? 20 centimeter for what? For this quarter circle. For quarter circle, R is 20 centimeter. No need to convert it in mm because all dimensions are in mm. 420 sorry. Now, find out this value. 4r by 3 pi, or keep as it is, or find out the value of 4r by 3 pi. 4 into r divided by 3 pi. So value comes 8.488. Sorry, 8.488 centimeter. Similarly here is 8.488 centimeter. This is for the quarter circle. I know the area of quarter circle. What is the area of quarter circle? The formula, anyone knows what is the area of quarter circle? So it is what? 4. What is the quarter circle area? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. Pi r square by 4. Pi r square. R is 20. Pi r square by 4. So area is pi r square by 4. It comes 314.1596 centimeters square. This is about a quarter circle. Now we are talking about what? Yes, semicircle. Semicircle. Again, if you get confused, draw the x-axis, y-axis, draw this semicircle. Now, mark the center of this semicircle C2. Take a distance from C2 up to origin. That distance parallel to x2, x2. The distance from origin to C2, that parallel to y2. So here, x2 equals to x2, exactly another formula. This is r. x2 is what? R. And r I know that term centimeter. y2. y2. y2 is what? Again 4r by the formula. From this to this distance is not 4r by 3. It is not r. The student, we are taking r. R is this much distance. But y2 is not the r. It is 4r by 3 pi. Again 4r is 10. 3 pi. Whatever our answer, 40 into 4 into 10, that is 40 divided by 3 shift pi. So it becomes 4.24 centimeter. What is your next task? Just write down the formula in x bar and y bar form. X bar equals to, now a1 x1 minus. Why I am going to minus? I need this shaded picture. a1 x1 minus a2 x2 divided by a1 minus. You will get the x bar, y bar. a1 y1 minus a2 y2 divided by a1 minus a2. So, we will get the final value of this one, x bar. Put all the value and then x bar is 6.98 centimeter, y bar is 1.74 centimeter. So put this all the value in this equation, I will get the values. So thank you for this.